Now, there is one product that has been sitting in our Indian medicine cabinets for years. You can talk about it by your mother would be knowing, your grandmother would be knowing, and that is Emoline. But do you know actually what Emoline is? Is it a antifungal medicine? Is it an antibiotic? Is it an oil? What is it? How does it help you? How does it act on your skin? Hi, I'm Dr. Rashmi Agrawal. I'm the founder and medical director of Skin International Clinic in Greater Noida West. And today I'm going to be discussing Emoline and how it can actually help your skin. Emoline is actually an emollient. Now it's made up of two ingredients, that is liquid paraffin and white soft paraffin. It is one of the most talked about, one of the most common and one of the oldest products which have been sitting in our cabinets for years, and it has been used for years, recommended by doctors for one thing and one thing only, and that is to lock in the moisture in your skin and to protect your skin barrier. So Emoline is actually classified as an emollient. Now what it does, it softens and smoothens the skin by filling in the gaps between the skin cells. When it fills in the gaps between the skin cells, it locks in the moisture or the water in the skin. It forms a protective layer and prevents further loss of water from the skin. Emoline, it is not a steroid, it is not a fairness cream, it is not a retinoid, it is not an active, it is not a vitamin C serum. It does only one thing and it does it really well. Now, where is Emoline actually being used? Emoline is a thick substance, so it is being used to treat very dry, sensitive, compromised skin, such as in eczema, in psoriasis. If your skin barrier has been damaged due to excessive exfoliant use, excessive actives, you've been layering your skin, you've damaged your skin barrier, your skin has become dry, stretchy, flaky, that is where Emoline is used. Also, it can be used in treating cracks on your, say, feet, your elbows, your knees. That is where Emoline really helps. Now, just remember, because it is a very thick product, it will sit on your skin. It forms a protective layer on your skin. So now if your skin is oily and acne prone, it's going to clog your pores and make your situation worse. So always remember, your skin, if it is oily and acne, Emoline is avoidable. But if your skin is dry, stretchy, damaged, skin barrier damaged, Emoline is the best product for you. So how to use Emoline? Now people make the biggest mistake कि आपने अच्छे से उसको थोप थाप के बैठ के thinking it has helped your skin, but actually वो सही तरीका नहीं है. You should be using Emoline only on damp skin. What is damp skin? आप अभी नहा के निकले हैं, आपने फेस धोया है, आप पोंछते हो तो थोड़ा ठंडा ठंडा रहता है, डैम्प रहता है, गीला नहीं, डैम्प रहता है. That is when you should be using Emoline creams. अगर आपने पोंछा, आपने अच्छे से लगा लिया, whether it is on your face, whether it is on your body, trust me, it lasts longer because it forms a barrier. It seals in that moisture in your skin, it seals in the water and it prevents further water loss. So आपका skin dry नहीं होगा. Now there are some common mistakes that I've seen people making with Emoline use. अगर आपकी स्किन ऑयली है और आपके एक्ने पोर स्किन है, Emoline लगाते ही आपके जो पोर्स हैं वो क्लॉग हो जाएंगे, आपका एक्ने ब्रेकआउट बढ़ जाएगा. Obviously, इन्फ्लेमेशन बढ़ जाएगी. बैक्टीरियल ग्रोथ को बढ़ा रहे हो बेसिकली बाय अप्लाइंग Emoline on oily and acne prone skin. Now, second mistake which people do is to use it on dry skin. पहले भी बोला है, अगर आपकी स्किन डैम्प है, आप उस पे Emoline लगाइए. It seals in the moisture, it seals in the water, and literally you get beautiful results with that. The third biggest mistake I've seen people making is to use Emoline as a stand-alone treatment to treat eczema or psoriasis or any other dry skin condition. No, that is not correct. It has to be used in conjunction as an adjunct along with other treatments that are continuing for your eczema and psoriasis. एक अकेला ये नहीं आपके ट्रीटमेंट कर सकता है, आपको किसी जो आपकी एक्चुअली दवाई चल रही है उसके साथ ये दिया जाता है. प्लस इट ऑल्सो रिड्यूसेस द साइड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ मेनी अदर मेडिसिन्स व्हिच लीड टू ड्राइनेस. हाँ, मुझे पता है कि Emoline एक्साइटिंग नहीं है, ट्रेंडिंग नहीं है, बट एक वजह है कि वो इतने सालों से हमारे घरों में मिलता है और मिलता है अभी भी हमारे कंट्री में और यूज़ भी किया जाता है. बहुत हाईली रिकमेंडेड है. उसका एक ही काम है और वो काम बहुत अच्छे से करता है. अगर आपकी स्किन ड्राई है, सेंसिटिव है, कॉम्प्रोमाइज है, दिस इज द बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट फॉर यू. इफ यू हैव ऑयली स्किन, एक्ने प्रोन स्किन, दिस इज नॉट recommended for you. I hope you found this video informative. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.